When it comes data, the fast data you control. Next into this, the fast you can understand user all to make your business run better. Connect your Power BI with many data sources including SQL, Big Data, Azure, AWS, and provide business insights to your leaders with interactive filters and parameters. Learn Power BI with industry experts and become a data analyst. Dashboards are you go to high-level insights providing a quick overview. Power BI step-by-step learning by following given modules and transform your data into dashboard and reports. For better learning, we are offering you learning management system. You can access your quiz, certificate, class recording and practice material. After successful completion, we help our students in placement as well. We do train students, conduct mock aptitude tests, conduct bulk mock interviews, have a structured placement call,